Who is that? Who is that? And Sarah, I have a surprise for you.
What?
You have to come and see. I have a surprise for you.
What is it?
Come.
What is it?
You're gonna see.
What is it?
You're gonna see. Sarah, Mama have a surprise for you. Leave me. Say hello to the fans.
Hello, face.
Say hello.
Hello.
Surprise.
Surprise.
Alright. Hi guys, before we jump into today's vlog, I have a real quick surprise for the kids, and I'm just as excited about this surprise as much as they are.
Surprised?
Yes, Mama have a surprise for you. Hold on, I'll tell you what it is. So this surprise is from a company called The Name Stamp, and I'm gonna leave the link down below so you guys can go ahead and explore. And if you're a mama like myself, you guys going to thank me for this one 100 times over, because listen, I'm excited for this one and you guys will see why. Now I have one for Tyler and I have one for Sarah. So I'm going to give you guys each yours. So Tyler own is the green owl and Sarah own is the pink. What animal is this?
Wow.
Elephant. The thing about the Name Stamp is that you can go on their website and you can design and choose the exact style that you want for yours and your kid and put their name on it and the animal that you want beside it. Here in France, when the kids are going to school, everything have to have their name written on it. So I have to use a marker and write their name on their clothes, on their hat, on their little doodle that they have on their books. But with the Name Stamp, you don't need to write anymore. You just press and their name come up on it, and you can design it with whatever animal and whatever name. So this one is for you. Want to see? Look, I'm gonna stick it on your hand. What it says.
Tyler Delaveaus.
And this one is for Sarah. So Sarah own says Sarah Delaveaus. I'm gonna just stamp it on her hand so she can see. Wow! What's that?
Butterfly.
Butterfly! When you wash the clothes, it stays there. It doesn't stains it, and you have, I think you have quite a few press within each pack, and you can also refill. The Name Stamp is also odorless, it's reusable and refillable. It's harmless. But I have this, I don't have to write with pen anymore. Bye bye pen, bye bye marker. So you guys can go ahead and click the link down below and customize Name Stamp for your kids. You can. So I wanted to show you guys a more close-up look of how the Name Stamp is. So I'm gonna just show you on the paper. There we go with Sarah's own, just to give you guys a more accurate look of it on the paper. And I'll show you Tyler's own. There we have it. So that's what it looks like on a paper. Really cute, and it's really clear, so you don't have to worry about how bright it will be. I'm gonna put it on the clothes and show you what it looks like. So there you have it. It's really bright and it stays on the clothes. You don't have to worry about ink or anything at all. Bright and as beautiful as can be. So there you have it, guys. Name Stamp is having 50% off right now, so be sure to click the link down below, you guys, and go and purchase your custom made name tag for your kids, for your family, and for your friends. Do it. Click the link down below and get your 50% off right now. I also need to tell you guys that the Name Stamp, the shipping was very fast. They came pretty quick in the mail within a few days, and you can go ahead and customize your Name Stamp. You can choose any one of the cute little holders that you wish, whether you have kids or you want to buy a gift for somebody, for your niece, your nephew, your friends. It would be recommending something if I didn't like it myself, and I know you guys will definitely go and purchase the Name Stamps. So love you guys and enjoy the rest of today's vlog. You guys see what I have to be dealing with? Look at my kids. Look at them. You guys see what I have to be dealing with? Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day and I have to be dealing with this too on my workout mat. They don't want me to fold up the mat. They just want to sit on it. Tyler is getting ready to head out to school. Papa is dropping him this morning. And
You're going to the dentist?
yeah. Papa and I have dentist appointments, so I'm not dropping Sarah to pre-K this morning.
Sarah,
Get up! Get up! Sarah, get up! Tai, get up! You two don't want me to... Look how she hung on to Tyler like Ty saved me. Sarah, get up. Get up, please. She hung on. Tyler, get up. Ty! 1, 2, 3. Get up. Alright. Your teeth gonna start get tickled. Sarah, get up. Hey! Yes! Finish! Both of you, finish! Move! Go away! No! Say good morning to the faves. Finish! Finish! Come, Sarah, say morning, faves. Tell us a good morning to faves.
Walk one. Walk one.
Can you tell he's his father's child?
Walk
Because I
one.
just finished getting my workout done.
Sorry, Faith, I need to go. I just need to go and sit downstairs one moment. Boop. Boop. I come back. Oh, I forgot that.
Vanish! Woo! Vanish! This boy is so funny. He's definitely his father's child. Anyway, you guys, I have a lot to do around here. I need to go get a shower while Tyler head out. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Still love, stay blessed, stay motivated, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. So see you guys later.
So guys, later, but Mama,
Yes.
I want to see if you really work out.
You want to see if I really work out?
Yes.
What do you mean?
So, if you really work out, you should be able to lift me up.
Boing.
Again!
That's
Again!
I'm tired.
Again!
Oh my gosh.
Again!
1, 2, 3. Look at him drooling.
Again!
The last time, okay? He's waiting. No! Dad, you can't do that. Go to school.
I know my turn.
No, Mama is sweaty. Ready to come in here?
Put the towel, put the hair.
It's oil. You want to put your finger in it? Sarah love putting her finger in the oil when I comb her hair. You gonna put the finger in the oil?
Yay!
Touch it. Okay, put it in here. Good job. Bravo. Okay, cheers, Sarah. Who is that? Who is that? That's my Sarah. Wow. Look. Say wow.
Wow.
Look at their face. Alright, all done. We're at the dentist right now. Babe. Baby's inside getting his appointment done, whether he's gonna clean or I don't know. It's his first time, so it's for baby won't be too long. but then I'll go after babe because I have a more in-depth thing to do with this appointment. So we're here in the waiting area waiting for babe. Hello, princess. Hi, Sarah. You gonna take off your glasses? No? Put it up here. Hello. I just spoke to the dentist and babe appointment, which I thought is gonna take 15 to 20 minutes because it's first day. Nope. She says it's gonna take about an hour for babe. So yeah, I'm here. It's a good thing I'm a kind of woman like this who plan and go on the road with the expectation of these things. I guess because we haven't gone to the dentist the entire pandemic. We've been, the last time we went to the dentist was 2019, before we went to Jamaica. Buying fries for my girl. Sarah, you want fries? You guys, we both finished to the dentist. Mine is numb. Mine is so numb. Ketchup? We just finished the dentist and our mouth feels so big, but we wanted to get fries for princess.
The message is
fries. My mouth is fat like, can you guys see what I'm talking? Half of my mouth feels crazy. Oh my god. Babe one is wearing off because it's been 2 hours since babe did this.
Yeah,
about 1 hour 30.
I am 1 hour ahead of you.
Oh my gosh, she's 1 hour ahead of me and his own is still numb. I feel like my entire right side of my face is collapsing right now.
We're going to Harvey.
My toe pain is on me non-stop. What do you want? What are you saying? Tell Fizz what you're saying to me.
I said, she said what we eat. I said sandwich, she said sandwich, and after I said sandwich into sandwich maker, and after I said I choose that it will be more easier for you since you don't need to cook, and I said that's why you choose it.
He's the sweetest. He said, Mama, choose it so you don't have to cook today.
Please. Like that you can relax all. Like that you have even more time to relax.
You're too sweet. Okay, deal. Yes. Sandwich for dinner.
Yay!
Sandwich for dinner on a Tuesday. Only my kids. I do sandwiches for dinner. I'm going to, oh, look at my arms work out. It's going good. Ooh, ooh.
Mama, what is this?
The mark on my hand?
Yes.
Is from my watch. Whenever I go in the sun won't cover where my watch is. Mosquito, close the door so mosquito don't come in. If you can't breathe, how you talking? But just Sarah sitting in its face. Sarah, no. Oh no, oh no.
Sarah's turn, I mean. It's your turn.
guys, you guys see my eyes? I need to go wipe this makeup off my face.
Yeah.
Nothing won't change when I wipe off my makeup. I'll still be this beautiful woman.
You'll be beautiful, but it would change. Just me. You think when you wake up like this, when you wake up in the morning,
Nothing
you're
will
like this?
change. Of course, I'm like this. I tell myself that I'm like
Yeah.
this.
That's very good. Very good. And continue.
I won't stop.
Continue. I'm not gonna tell you the truth. You know the truth. But continue.
Of course, I know the truth.
Continue. I was saying I have big muscle every day when I look at the mirror.
Of course, why
Yeah.
not?
Yeah. I know the truth. I have big muscles.
Yeah, big muscle is just that the muscle is not like other people's muscle.
Yeah.
That's your own muscle.
No. I know the truth. So you know your truth. I know my truth. Same thing.
And I'm living in my truth.
Mm-hmm.
Are you living in your truth?
Yeah. I'm lying to myself.
Is the smirk on his face that's killing me. He can't keep a straight face. Anyway, you guys, the day has come to an end. Our kids are in bed. Though, what is there singing? What's she singing? What's the song she's in there singing?
Well,
Way up on the wheels on the bus go round and round.
anyway, that's the end of today. I said Tyler is in vacation, little baby
yes.
vacation,
Yes,
because
yes,
Thursday
yes.
is holiday, so they give them the Friday, so he will
And
be
of course,
home.
he don't go to school on a Wednesday.
Yeah, he don't go to school, so he will be off from school
Wednesday,
for 5
Thursday,
days.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
That's a good rest.
Bye.
That's a good rest. I took an appointment with Tyler teacher next week for see if the years went right. So.
Back.
So yeah, next week we'll know, but I'm sure Tyler's a good one. So.
No, I'm not worried. Even if he have a few things that, you know, here and there that needs to work on, it's nothing major.
No.
He's the sweetest kid. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I know you did, so go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up with us. And of course, we'll see you guys tomorrow. What?
I'm looking the makeup.